Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a mom like me, juggling sticky fingers, sunscreen battles, and the never-ending quest to feel like yourself again after kids, then you know how rare it is to find a swimsuit that actually works for real life. Today, I'm sharing one that caught my eye not just for its pretty look, but for how surprisingly put together it made me feel without the price tag guilt. Meet the Herseas Women's Textured Bikini Set, a $25 two-piece that promises comfort, coverage, and a little bit of confidence boost in the middle of our messy, beautiful mom days. I wasn't expecting much at this price, but after wearing it through splash fights, sandy exits, and more pool noodles than I can count, there's a lot to talk about. Let's dive into what makes this bikini stand out in a sea of options, starting with why it might just be the refresh your swimwear drawer didn't know it needed. As a mom who's been through the postpartum journey and all the body changes that come with it, finding a swimsuit that makes me feel confident again has always been a challenge. But this Herseas bikini set? Honestly, it's a game changer. From the moment I put it on, I felt supported, not just physically, but emotionally. The high-waisted bottoms offered just the right amount of tummy control without squeezing like a corset. Thank goodness. So I don't feel like I'm wrestling with my swimsuit while trying to chase my toddler around the pool. And the best part? The coverage. No see-through panic when it gets wet. No cheeky business that makes me feel awkward at playgroup pool days. It's modest but still stylish. Like I actually put effort into my look, even if my getting ready routine now includes refereeing sibling squabbles and packing endless snacks. The top is where this suit really shines for me. I've got a bigger chest, 36DD, and let's be real, most swimsuit tops just don't cut it. Either they're too tight, too loose, or I spend half the day hiking straps back up. Not this one. The twist front design isn't just cute. It actually provides support, and the adjustable straps mean I can dial in the perfect fit. Plus, the padding is removable, which is great if you want to go for a more natural look or adjust the shape. I love that it covers the back rolls without feeling like I'm wearing a life vest. It's flattering in that, yes, this is my body and I feel good in it kind of way. Whether I'm bending down to help my daughter build a sand castle or reaching for floaties in the shallow end, I don't have that constant worry of things shifting or slipping. And as a mom, that peace of mind is priceless. One thing I really appreciate is how thoughtfully this suit is made. The fabric is thick, with a nice textured feel that doesn't pill or fade after multiple washes, something I've dealt with in cheaper suits that start looking sad after one summer. I've worn mine to the water park, the beach, and even during a splash pad date with my kids, and it's held up beautifully. The color I got, a soft, buttery yellow, is so flattering and stood out without being too loud. My daughter actually said, "Mama, you look like sunshine," which made my heart explode. The suit dries quickly, too, which is a win when you're constantly in and out of water with little ones who refuse to stop playing. And no weird smells or mildew trapped in the fabric, even after a long, sweaty day under the sun. Now, let's talk fit. I usually size up after having babies, but I followed the size chart and went with my usual, and it was perfect. I'm 5 feet 5 inches, around 185 pounds, with a pear shape, and the XL fit like it was made for me. The legs are cut a little higher than I'm used to. Normally, I gravitate toward board shorts or fuller coverage bottoms, but these strike a nice balance. They're high enough to flatter my curves without feeling like they're cutting into my thighs or riding up every 2 minutes. The high rise waist smooths everything out without flattening my personality or my postpartum belly in a way that feels dishonest. It's just me, but maybe a little more put together. That said, if you're someone who prefers full leg coverage or is used to more sporty style bottoms, this might feel a bit more bare than you're comfortable with. But for everyday pool days and beach outings, it's just right. Where this suit really wins in my book is versatility. It's not just a swimsuit, it's a confidence booster. I wore it to a friend's pool party, and honestly, I didn't spend the day crossing my arms or tugging at fabric. I was in the water with my kids, laughing, dunking noodles, and even doing a ridiculous mom dance when my son requested the chicken song. That might sound small, but for someone who's struggled with body image after pregnancy, feeling that carefree again? Huge. The ruching detail on the front gives it a little flair without drawing attention to areas I'd rather not highlight. And the full back coverage means no accidental exposure when I'm bending over or lifting my toddler. It's practical and pretty, rare for a swimsuit at any price, let alone under $25 for a full set. Of course, it's not totally perfect. If I had one small critique, it's that the top might run a little loose if you're between sizes or have a smaller bust. I can see how someone might wish for more shape or support in that area, especially if you're planning on jumping off diving boards or doing cannonballs with the kids. But for my frame and needs, it's spot on. And the fact that it's affordable, that's a major win for moms who don't want to drop a fortune on a swimsuit they'll maybe wear a few times a year. This suit makes me feel seen, like the designers actually thought about real women, real bodies, and real motherhood. And that's worth more than any five-star rating. I've already told two mom friends to check it out. Because let's be honest, we could all use a little more sunshine in our swimsuits. If you're ready to splash into confidence this summer, give the Herseas Bikini a try. It's proof that mom bodies deserve to feel good too. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you feel seen, and subscribe for more real mom reviews that keep it honest, one swimsuit and snack pack day at a time.